This video covers the Jelly Run as an optimal strategy for experience gain in Temple of Apshai for the Apple II. These runs are the result of the struggles I had on levels 3 and 4. While doing some in-game research, I discovered that the Jelly gives 335 experience, where most monsters give 35. I'm not sure if this was intended by the developers, but it yields a great way to build up your character. There is a Jelly that will always be there that is not too far from the start of level 2. You will need to visit a different floor after each run to reset level 2. I recommend level 3 or 4 because you won't have to open a door behind you before exiting. One of the major pains of grinding experience in this game is the slow loading of screens, so I tried to minimize that here. You can choose to clear the first room with the bats if you like. On average, I was getting around 1,000 experience every 10 minutes. This video is sped up to improve viewing. The actual runtime is around 15 minutes for 1,600 experience. I hope this helps you conquer the game. Happy grinding!